Hello and welcome to Simple Windows Tutorials. Today we're going to go over how to view and delete applications on your Windows machine. Now these applications can be pre-installed or you might have already installed them onto your system. Now there are a few ways to get to the system settings for this feature or tool, you would say. So one of the ways is to go ahead and type in your search bar settings. It will send you to your settings app once you click on it. And then to view the applications you have, just simply click on the apps option right here. And then here you have it. This is the page that we're looking for. We want to see all the applications that are installed on our system. And depending on how many applications you have installed, it will take some time to load all of them. For me, it loaded fairly quickly. I guess I don't have that many applications, but some people have plenty and it might just take a longer time to load up, so don't be alarmed. Another way to get to this page is to, you could simply, let's just exit out of here, you can simply just type in apps and features and it'll just redirect you straight to that page or straight to that system settings. And again, you'll just wait for it to load all the applications. Now another way to get to there is simply right click on your start button, and then you see this option, apps and features. Usually it's on the top of this pane, but if it's not, you'll probably just have to find it on this upper half. Let's go ahead and click that, and this time we'll just let it load. And while it's loading, let me explain to you why you might want to use this settings. So these settings really help you to manage the amount of space that you have on your laptop that you want, or desktop that you want to, get rid of some apps that you don't really need and are taking a lot of space. So let's see, like this application right here is 1.45 gigabytes, and if you want to uninstall it, just like I did, you can just click on it and then click uninstall. And the other cool thing about this settings pane is that it shows you the version number of the application. So instead of starting up the app just to see what version number it is, you can simply just click on the app, and usually it will show you, depending on the application, what version number it is right away. So we can see for that application it shows you, but let's say if it doesn't show you and it just gives you this advanced options, just simply click on it and it'll take you to the version number, and of course further information and details. So yeah, that's how you view applications and delete the ones that you want to on your Windows machine. Hope this video helped. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching.